It's mine now.
Oh no, look.
Hey, you kids.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Rolling. Look at me.
Look at me, bro.
buddy. Look at me, pal.
Big storm
coming.
It'll be a hurricane or something.
Storm coming. A long ride, bro.
Oh,
yeah,
really?
Dude. I will go find my lost engine. I'll go find Lady, okay?
Look at my pun there, sir.
So much. I'm good, sir. So long, you, my sucker.
Anything, Boomer, including yourself.
Okay, you say you'll be safe danger.
I have to go to the store and get some things. I think I'll stay around here.
Okay.
Oh, that's okay. I've also got a bunch of errands to do, so I'll meet you back here in time for sunset. Thanks.
Okay, sunset soon, okay? Okay.
And we're going to go back and go find Lady.
Hi, Mrs. Huh? I bet.
Junior?
What? You back?
Of course I'm back.
I'm see you again.
What's blue, green, red?
You're my partner.
Go yellow, go. Choo choo. No way. You were putting wheels on the tracks. Hey, yeah? What? Yeah? Are we? That's so low, right? Oh, yeah, so too.
What do you think?
Are you ready?
Robby?
Okay.
Good. It's...
Are you ready? Of course I'm ready. Go.
Grandpa?
Come on, Nathan.
I guess so.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Here goes.
Let's go.